When it comes to residential technology, Digital Horizons can transform your home, utilizing the latest in audio, video, and home automation technology solutions.
When the client came to us and wanted us to perform the system update, one of the main concerns was that everything be on a single interface and be usable from any device.
By centrally locating all the video sources in a video distribution system, it provides a clean look around all the televisions without sacrificing the accessibility of content options.
Throughout the day, usually I like to watch the news in the morning before I go to work. And again, we got quite a few TV sets in the house, so I can kind of turn it on at one TV and just follows me around the house basically.
One of the coolest parts of the video distribution system is the ability to pause what you're doing and pick it up in another room. So for example, it's 9 o'clock on a Friday night and you're watching Finding Nemo on Netflix in the living room and you're tired. You pause the movie, you go to the master bedroom, you pick up the remote and you hit play, and it's exactly where you left it off.
Features of this home include 17 TVs, audio systems in each room, including a digital music library, Pandora radio, FM radio, and the ability to wirelessly stream music from any mobile device.
From their phone or the touch panels or the in-wall keypads, they can very quickly select music choices, and then they can listen to it from any room in the house and activate it from any room in the house.
Individual room lighting control.
With a home of this size, there are hundreds of light circuits. So a lighting control system simplifies that by intelligent programming and keypads in the wall, where a single button press can turn a whole room on or a whole room off, or it can set a scene for a romantic evening or for cooking in the kitchen. And then when you're leaving at night, you can have a single button that turns all of the interior lights off and turns the exterior lights on.
Motorized shades were added for light control and privacy at the touch of a button.
When they sat down for breakfast in the morning or when she's in her office, the light levels were really high. They operate the shades via in-wall keypads or their phone or their touch panels, and they simply raise and lower, and that's it.
5-camera surveillance system, motion sensing lights. All these systems can be utilized from one touch panel located in almost every room, giving you control over any selected room from any room.
The system is intuitive and easy to use regardless of the device that you're using, whether it's a wireless touch panel in the home, or a phone, or an iPad, or your computer.
Using your mobile device, access can be achieved from anywhere on the planet to shut off lights, lock doors, or turn on or off any or all systems in the home.
In one instance, we created a custom button that allows them to automatically turn the lights on, disarm the security system, open the gate, and unlock the door for someone who might be coming in the home to do service or just to drop a package off.
We have a home in Florida, and we were coming back from Florida. I had the temperature set down at 55 degrees. And before we got on the flight in Florida, I turned it up to 72, and the house was nice and warm when we got home. We use the technology every day, all day long. It's wonderful.
Having systems communicate with each other allow us to do things based on actions of other systems. If you arm your security system, we can have the lights turn off automatically. We can have the wireless deadbolt lock. We can close the shades. We can set the temperature to certain levels. And it takes those extra steps out of the normal processes of your daily life and simplifies things for you.
Digital Horizons, simplifying video, lighting, and audio integration to suit your individual needs.